Hello friends, Kolkata Knight Riders new squad. Number 1 Andre Russell. Number 2 Rinku Singh. Number 3 Varun Chakrabarti. Number 4 Sunil Noran. Number 5 Harish Rana. Number 6 Ramandeep Singh. Number 7 Rishabh Pant. Number 8 Devon Conway. Number 9 Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. Number 10 Tim David. Number 11 Kagiso Rabada. Number 12 Naman Der. Number 13 Gerald Cotize. Number 14 Shekhar Dhawan. Number 15 Otnel Bartman. Number 16 Prashad Krishna. Number 17 Kyle Mayer. Number 18 Ajinkya Rahane. Number 19 Harshal Patel. Thanks for watching.